Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about removing your network credentials on your Windows 10 device. So generally speaking, when you log into a network through your computer, that Windows will store these credentials in the Credential Manager. And since they're already inputted in, Windows will not prompt you every time you try and access back onto the network. So if for some reason you think they are saving the wrong credentials, or you just want to remove them, you don't want to have them saved on there, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to remove them. So we're going to go and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel listed right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to large icons and then select Credential Manager. You want to left click on Windows Credentials. Expand whatever credentials you want to remove and then select the Remove button. It's going to ask you if you want to permanently delete this generic credential. So personally, I'm not going to select it because I don't want to remove it, but in your case, you would want to go select yes. And then at that point, you would just close out of here, restart your computer, and then you would be prompted for a username and password when attempting to log back into the network. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.